The start of the unboxing. Oops.
Alright, got another unboxing for ya. That clip you saw earlier is from just the outer packaging. This big box right here. I'm going to open it. I kind of had to retape it up for this unboxing, but I only got the outer box. So, what do we have in here? This is getting more difficult. I got this as a gift, by the way. My early Christmas gift. Takes a good wiggle. And this is what I have right here. It's a guitar of some sort. And I just pop it off the top. No, I cannot pop off the top. So more snippy with my adult scissors. I'm just going to cut off the tape. Whoops. Whoops. That's all I'm going to do is cut off the tape. And I'm only going to do around it. I am not... There we go. I should be done with the snippy part. Don't know why. What? Got one of these letters and some basic chords for the guitar and how to tune the guitar. And barred chords. This will be very handy to when I show someone. Oh, got this little customer service information. So take this out, and I have a gig bag. I have have a gig bag. Whoa, what the? Has double straps, which is always good, but also has this little carrying thing, which is good as well. I'll have to put it in the gig bag when I'm done. Has more pockets too. This is a guitar of some sort, and there's picks and a little tool that's very useful, and a cable. I needed one of these. Yes. So let's get it from there. Start with the wood stock. It's R.W. Jameson. Whoops. And then let's bring the rest of it out. It's a thin one, and it has a pickup and a place for a strap. Where would I plug it in though? Okay, right here. There it is. Ta-da! Now I did not bring my tuner with me, so I'm going to have to use an app to tune this. Let me find a good tuner app. So, how is everybody doing? I forgot to show you the back. This is red color. This is so dope. Alright. Since I haven't used it in so long, I have to wait for it to download again. Oh! Here it is. Let me try this. These should be new strings. All done. That was quicker than I thought. Ooh. Let me use one of their picks. I'll just play something. Ooh, nice. One of these little purple felt, well, not felt picks, but they're very like close, pretty close to nylon, but they're not. So. A little fine tune there. sounds pretty good, especially for a $100 guitar. So. I don't know what kind of strings that I was given, but this is what I was given. So. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye, together. Come and behold the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore. In Christ alone. Sing choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Oh, sing all ye bright hosts of heaven. Glory to God, glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ alone. Surprisingly, it does project pretty well, and other than a couple of little minor tuning things which are typical for a new instrument like this, you know, I don't know what strings that were given. Oh, I forgot to take off this little paper thing that I don't really need. But it also has a pickup where it has tone and volume, and it's right here. So this is an acoustic-electric guitar. So you can actually plug it in. That's why I have this little cable. I don't know if it's long enough though. But acoustically speaking, for a room like this, it's really, really good for a $100 guitar. Well, overall, I think it's a really good guitar for $100, and it'll serve you well for a few years to come. The only thing I wish it would come with is a strap, but I think you could just buy one, and you can just hook it onto here, to the wood stock. and you can see the fret markers 1, 2, 3, all the way down, and it's got frets on the got markers on the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, and 12th, 15th, and 17th frets. So up here you can really shred it. I'm not very good at shredding, but so that's all I have for this, and it's of course a lot thinner than regular guitars. But it works really well for like the $100 that you pay. I'd say this is a dope, and this is very good. This is dope. That's all I have for this video, and if you have any other questions, just comment down below. I'll try to answer them for you. There's a little bit of flakiness, by the way, on the back. Just a little. But not, it's more for aesthetics. So it's not really crazy. Alrighty. Have a great day, and I gotta give this about an 8.5 out of 10. For the price, you're getting a decent quality instrument. Take care. Bye.